All right, it's late, but still got to learn. Let's math it up. Okay, it is solving equations assignment 5, or whatever your teacher might be calling it. But if you scan that QR code, you're in the right video. If you're not sure, check the first couple questions, and they should match up. If they don't, get to some other video. Combining like terms. We want to keep it simple because we're practicing. It'll slowly get more difficult. 3p. P is the variable, 3 is the coefficient. I want to add the coefficients. This one's like got an invisible 1 here. We don't write that. 3p plus p is 4p plus 4p is 8p. That's our answer. Question 1b. This goes together as a negative, so 3c plus 2c is 5c minus 4c. That's going to equal just c. That's our answer. C. Distribution. So you have the distributive property in this one. I'm going to multiply 2 times 4 and 2 times 2. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times 2 is positive 4. That's our answer, 8x plus 4. Next one, we have to distribute to everything when inside of the parentheses. We can simplify first, or we can simplify after. It really doesn't matter. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times, yeah, it doesn't matter. So let's simplify first. That's always probably the best bet. So 4 times 5y plus 5, right? I just combine my two y values together, 2y and 3y. So we're left with 20y plus 20. That's our answer. All right, so distribute and then combine like terms. In this case, 3a, we'll write that down here, plus 6a plus 18, and then we can combine those two a's for 9a plus 18 as our answer. Again, combine like terms and then, again, distribute and then combine like terms, n times 2 and n times n. So 2n plus n squared plus 3 minus 4, we can combine these two like terms to go 2n plus n squared minus 1. That's our final answer. Solving one-step equations. Solving one-step equations are these ones we've been practicing for a while. Isolate the variable by doing the inverse operation at the same amplitude, the same value. So minus 2 plus 2. Do it to both sides. This side, minus 2 plus 2 cancel out, leaving us with x is equal to 8 plus 2, which is x is equal to 10. It's k plus 10 or 10 plus k. Either way, both positive. Subtract positive 10 minus 10. Subtract 10 on this side as well. This side, they cancel out, leaving us with k is equal to 18 minus 10, which is 8. K is equal to 8. Very similar question. We want to subtract 12 from both sides. Oh, interesting. So x is equal to 20 minus 12. which again is 8. That's the same answer as the first one, or the last one. Very similar questions. Multiplication going on here. So this was 20 times a number is equal to 480. We want to isolate our x by doing the inverse operation, right? It's multiply, 20 multiplied by x. We're going to do 20 divided by x as the inverse operation, and then we're going to cancel out on this side, leaving us with x is equal to this, which is 25, 24. X is equal to 24. All right. Back to these one-step equations. Subtract 37 from both sides. Just some bigger numbers. Same strategy, just different bigger numbers. A is equal to 114 minus 37. So that's A is equal to 107 minus 30. A is equal to 77. All right, so it's being divided now. M divided by 79 is equal to 4. So we want to multiply by 79 on both sides, canceling out that, which means M is equal to 4 times 79. 4 times 80. 4 times 80 would be 320 minus 79, 250, 249. 4 times 9 is 30. My brain. 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus the 3 is 31. 316. What? 4 times 28 plus 31. 4 times 316. M is equal to 316. 316 divided by 79 is 4. What was going on in my brain before? 2F. 316. Okay, correct. My mental math was way off there. All right. 3. Solve the following two-step equations. Now, two-step equations are exactly that. They're 2 steps. Take your time, show your work, and we'll get through them. So first, we want to isolate the term with by taking away 5 from both sides, minus 5, and we're left with 2k is equal to 10, right? So that cancels, and this turns into 10. 2k is equal to 10. I want to divide by 2 on both sides to get rid of that and get our k is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is 5. That's our answer. All right, first thing we want to do is subtract 3 from both sides. And we're left with r over 5 is equal to 2. Now, that cancels, and this is why we got that. And this just dropped down there. So we go to get rid of our, we'll multiply each side by 5. And then this cancels. We're leaving with r is equal to 2 times 5, which is 10. That's our answer. C, again, same sort of strategy. Let's go plus 9 and plus 9. Now on this side, minus 9 plus 9 cancels out, leaving with p over 6 is equal to negative 8 plus 9, which is 1. Let's go times 6 times 6. On this side, times 6 cancels, leaving us with p is equal to 6 times 1. And that's 6. P is equal to 6. Let's move on to the next one here. First, we want to isolate the variable, the term with the variable in it, by subtracting 5 from both sides. Tricky on this side, so 12x is equal to, and this 55 minus 5 is going to be negative 60. We can divide both sides by 12, leaving us with x is equal to negative 5. That's our answer. Now this one's a little bit more tricky. It is, we have to first multiply by 4 on both sides, which is not normal. That cancels out, leaving with 4 plus x. Jeez, come on. 4 plus x is equal to negative 5 times 4, which is negative 20. And then we have minus 4, minus 4. On this side, that cancels out. X is equal to this, which is negative 24. Four plus x divided by 4 is equal to negative 5. 24. 20. Okay, yeah. All right. That works. Same thing here. So it's all integrated in one term. You can't really separate those pieces. So we're going to multiply by 6 on both sides to start breaking this apart. And it leaves us with 1 plus n is equal to 6. We're going to cancel that 1 out by subtracting 1 from both sides. And that leaves us with n is equal to 5. All right. Multi-step equations here. Now, multi-step equations can be difficult if you don't pay attention. Combining like terms is the first one here. So let's rewrite the equation after combining like terms. So we're going to go 3 minus 4r equals 7, right? Those two came together to create 4r minus 4r. So let's subtract 3 from both sides, canceling out here. So negative 4r is equal to 4. We can divide by negative 4, divide by negative 4 on both sides, canceling out. R is equal to negative 1. Next one. So combine these two. So negative 15 is equal to, and then we combine both of these together into 3n. Divide by 3 on both sides. Negative 5 is equal to n, or n is equal to negative 5. Canceling. BC. 4c. Again, let's combine these like terms. 15 is equal to, we combine that together to get negative 3v. Divide both sides by negative 3 to get rid of our coefficient, and it leaves us with v is equal to negative 5, or we say v is equal to negative 5. It's always good to write it out that way. Next one. Ooh, okay. So 2n plus 1, right? So this one and this one, -2 and +1 come together to create +1 is equal to -5. So we're going to subtract 1, and it says 2n is equal to -6, which we can divide both sides by 2, and n is equal to -3. 2 minus 4p plus p. Okay, so let's combine our like terms of these ones. So we have 2 minus 3p is equal to -1. Let's subtract 2. Subtract 2. -3p is equal to -3. Let's divide by -3 on both sides, there and there, and we have p is equal to 1. That's our answer. All right. Okay, constants. So we have -6v and 4. We go v minus 2 equals 1. These two combine together to make -2. Let's add 2 and do that to the other side. This side we cancels out. V is equal to 3. Exciting. Distribution, not differentiation. Distribution. We have the distributive property here. We multiply everything inside the brackets by the number outside the brackets. This one is going to be 5 minus 20x is equal to 155. That is awful 5. Now we can add 5 to both sides. No, I don't want to add 5 both sides. I want to subtract 5. It's a +5. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. Cancels out here, leaving us 20x. -20x is equal to 150. How does 20 go into 150? 5a. Is that supposed to be -6? That should be -155. And then that makes it. All right, gotta fix my worksheet here. Let's do this one again. This should be -150. This is 5 minus 20x is equal to -155. Now let's subtract 5. Subtract 5 cancels there. -20x is equal to -160. Divide by -20. Divide by -20. That cancels, leaving us with x is equal to -8. Not 80. X is equal to 8. Okay. Distribution. -72 is equal to -2 times 5, p. negative 10p minus 12. So let's add 12 to both. That's not 12, that's 20. Add 12 to both sides, canceling out on this side, leaving us with negative 72, that's 76. Negative 60 is equal to negative 10p. Negative 10, negative 10 cancels. P is equal to 6. That's our answer. Now we have negative 61. Okay. 61 is equal to negative 5 plus negative 5 minus 12a plus 6. Let's combine our like terms on the side. Those two, 61 is equal to 1 plus minus 12a. Let's subtract 1, subtract 1. Or a 12a, negative 12a, 6, positive 1 minus 1, negative 62, 5c, oh, yeah, okay, see. Sorry, 60 is equal to 12a, divide. This is going to be 5 is equal to a, or a is equal to 5. Checking my math, I didn't think it was right there, but it was right. Okay. Distributive property. 70 is equal to negative 2 times negative 5, which is positive 10, and plus 5v, plus 10v plus 5v. 70 is equal to 10 plus 15v. Let's subtract 10 from both sides. Cancels out there. 60 is equal to 15v. Divide by 15. Divide by 15. Cancel. V is going to be equal to 60 divided by 15, which is 4. V equals 4. Double distribution. All right. Negative 15x minus 3 minus 3 plus 4x equals 13. So these two are coming together and those two are coming together. So we have 11x minus 6 equals 13 plus 6. 11 negative 3 Oh. Oh, interesting. Interesting. This should be a subtract 4, because this gets distributed. Funny. Subtract 4, so that's negative 19. And you combine this negative 19x minus 6 plus 6 equals, oops, not equals, plus 6 on both sides, plus 6 on both sides, cancels. 19x is equal to 19. Divide by 19, divide by 19, x equals 1. Tricky. All right, again, distributing the negative sign. That is weird. Okay, negative 6r, this is 27, is equal to negative 6r plus 24 plus 5r minus 3. 27 is equal to negative r plus 21. Subtract 21 from both sides. The sides cancels out. 20 is 5. Nope, that's 6. 6 is equal to negative r. Divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1. That's not going to change my answer. Cancels. R is equal to negative 6. 5f, negative 6. Wow. Sorry if this was a sleepy one. I'm tired. Hopefully this is helpful. Like, subscribe, or don't. Just watch and make sure you math it up.